Hey y'all, I just got home. We're getting ready to kick off this 4th of July weekend. I went out there and lit the smoker because we're about to put a bologna log on there. Y'all remember when I did a bologna log last year? It almost looked like a firework the way I did it. But I'm not going to do this one this way because guess what? I did my Walmart order today and I noticed that they had bologna logs. So I was like, oh cool, I don't have to stop by Publix or anything. I just got home. This is the bologna log thing. I should have looked better at the size, but that ain't no bigger than my hand. I always want one of them logs, you know. We're going to make do because it's just me and him. It's probably a little too small to do that thing where I made it, you know, flail out like that. But we'll put some slits in it and season it up and put it on that smoker. So we're going to take our teeny bologna log and I'm just going to do slits in it.
I like bologna.
Me too. I did them kind of slanted that way, and now I'm going to do it the other way. It's hard to see where these marks are going. I'm going to put some cooking with KPs. If y'all hadn't tried that, it's pretty good. I'll spray a little bit of olive oil on it, rub it down, get that oil all over it, and then put some of her seasoning on here. And then Caden will go put that on the smoker. See ya.
Ooh. Take this and put it right in the center. And then we'll check on it in a few minutes.
Turn that down to 250. It's still up at a high heat from the last time we cooked with it. I saw this thing today where somebody was asking their little kid, but it was like a younger kid than Caden, but I'm still wanting to try it. But she was asking her little kid a couple of questions. So I thought that might be fun while we're waiting on our bologna. What is something adults do that doesn't make any sense?
Older people eat dinner at like 6 o'clock.
Well, what time do we eat dinner?
Like 7 or 8 most of the time.
That's just because I work late sometimes.
I know, but even when you don't work late, we usually eat like
That's
near
not
the
just older people. That's like almost everybody eats dinner at 6 o'clock.
That's mostly older people.
Older people eat at like 4 or 5.
Yeah.
If you woke up and you were 30 years old, what would you do?
I'd go spend a lot of money on a credit card.
Why on a credit card? I don't even use credit cards.
You use a debit card?
A debit card. I don't like to spend money I don't have.
Well,
do you know what a credit card is?
No.
So a credit card is like borrowing money, and you have to make payments to pay it back.
Well, if I was only 30 for a day and I only had a credit card for a day, I would still spend the money because then the next day it would all be forgotten.
No, you don't want to borrow no money. I don't care how old you are.
They would try to find a 30-year-old man named Kate.
If you were president for one day, what's the first thing you would do?
No school. No, actually, I would have school from 10 o'clock to 11 and no homework.
Just a 1 hour school day for kids? Okay. You could have like solved world peace or something. What's the hardest part about being a kid?
Having adults tell you what to do all the time.
You're gonna miss that when you're an adult.
No.
What do you wish you could do more often?
Either go to an arcade or bowling.
That's obtainable. Is there something you want to do but you would be too scared to try it?
Fly in the airplane. Let's see what we got.
It's been 45 minutes at 250. Whew. My little slits did not do like I wanted them to do. I couldn't see where I was cutting. It's probably going to need another 30 to 45 minutes by the looks of it.
It looks great so far.
Yeah, it does. It smells good too. So we're going to check it again.
That looks good.
It does look good. I think it needs a little bit longer. We've waited another about 20-25 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and call it done. It's looking good.
Looks delicious.
There's a close-up of it, y'all. Ooh. And I've been in here prepping some fruit and cheese. We didn't have no crackers, but I don't really want any. I've been trying not to eat breads and stuff. It fills me up too quick. Cut some of it. Look at it.
It looks really good. I just take the rest of this and eat it. So good.
We got us some cuties, some strawberries, kiwi, red grapes, green grapes, and pepper jack cheese. We're about to dig in, y'all. We done fixed our little plates. And I forgot to tell y'all, I did mine this time with that Cajun seasoning because I like to eat bologna with mustard. That's where it's at. However, if you're gonna try bologna log, if you hadn't already done it before, you can use mustard for a binder and you won't be able to really taste it. And then you can rub it with like a barbecue rub. Cook it for, if you get one of them big logs, cook it for a couple of hours on like 250, and then brush barbecue sauce on it and cook it for another half hour. Then it'll have that smoky barbecue flavor. But mine has a smoky Cajun flavor and it's gonna pair very well with mustard. And I love me some mustard. Okay, I love you. Stay classy.